Hey everyone, in this video I'm going through a short Python quiz on set from Coursera. I will explain each question as I answer it. So if you are just starting out or want a quick refresher, this is for you. Let's dive in. Consider the following question. The correct answer is a single A character enclosed in quotation inside curly bracket. Sets in Python are a collection of unique elements. Even if you add A multiple times, it will only appear once in the set. The number 2 answer is add. In Python, the .add method is used to add a single element to a set. Let me show you an example. The question was, what method do you use to add an element to a set? I will say the correct answer is add. Let's see why. So, this is Python 3 app, an IDE for writing Python code using smartphone. So, I will say a variable called mySet. Okay, I have a variable called or named mySet. Okay, then I will assign 1 and then 2 in it. Okay, so I want to add an element to the set that we have. So I'll say my underscore set dot add. We say that add or dot add method is the correct answer. So let's see how that works. We are trying to see how that really works. So this means we want to add 3 to the set, to my set that we already have. So if I say print my set, let's see what we have. You can see Python has added the 3 elements inside our my set that we have. So that is a proof that add or dot add method is the correct answer to the number 2 question. Let's move ahead. Question 3 says, what is the result of the following operations? Curly bracket A enclosed in single quotation, comma, B enclosed in single quotation, and curly bracket A enclosed in single quotation. I will say the correct answer is curly bracket A enclosed in single quotation and close curly bracket. Now, the AND operator performs a set intersection, returning elements that appear in both sets. So here we have 2 sets. The first set is curly bracket A enclosed in single quotation, comma, curly bracket B enclosed in single quotation, and the closing curly bracket. Then the second set is curly bracket A enclosed in single quotation and closing curly bracket. Now, we say that the AND operator that is in between them performs a set intersection, returning elements that appear in both sets. Here, only A enclosed in single quotation is common to both sets. That is why that answer is correct. Finally, let's submit and see what score we get. Coursera will be scoring us based on if we get the answers 100% correct or not. So, in our own case, our grade is 100%. You can see the number 1 says correct. Sets in Python do not allow duplicate elements. Consequently, the resulting set will automatically eliminate the duplicate, resulting in A as the answer. Then number 2 says correct. The add method adds element to a set. The number 3 says correct. The intersection operations find the common element in both sets. Congratulations! If this helped you to understand Python set better, don't forget to like, comment with your thoughts or question, and share to someone learning Python too. Follow for more bite-sized coding lessons. Thank you.